Today's vlog, welcome to Maxley TV, by the way. Check the shirt. It's lit. Max lit. What we got here today is Federal 595s. Got these brand new. They're 235 40 18s. Super steels. You're wondering why the hell I'm inside with tires, but we're gonna paint the letters in these. This is one of the cheapest ways that I found to paint the letters on them because the stickers are over $100 and I don't want to pay that right now. So this is the outside. Obviously the directional, as you can see, passenger and driver side. And we're pretty much gonna fill in the Federal on the outer wall and maybe the 595 as well. So we'll do that on both sides. I bought actually 2 pens just to make sure I got enough because I don't want to go back. One of the best and the cheapest tires you can get. I literally paid, I think they were 80 bucks a piece. These 80 bucks a piece. So I paid 160. I really had my eyes on the Federal, the RSRRs, but these are good enough for a start now. Later on, I'll eventually upgrade to those. On the rear, I'm not sure what I'm going to be running yet. I might go with Achilles ATR Sports. Those I found online for a great deal and they have very good grip. Most likely my rear tire setup might be a 255 35 or a 265 35, or I might just do a 40 sidewall on either or tire setup that I go with. And also see how they fit as well with the WiseFab lock kit. That nice beefy tires. We'll see how low we can go on the car before it starts rubbing, and also on full lock on the car and the inside, the wheel wells and all. So we got to test all that out, but for now, here you get a better view. We're just cleaning the area that we're going to be using. I'm not cleaning the entire tire. Doesn't make any sense. And you're wondering, like, why the fuck is he using Windex on a tire? Because that's all I have right now. I'm using a glass cleaner on the tire. Doesn't fucking matter. And I'm using a fucking sock. But again, it doesn't fucking matter. Just clean the fucking tire and get the painting. done here. I'll look at the finished product. Both tires painted. I say this is the best way to do it. Just have a little bit of patience and you can get this thing done. Looks really good. It's clear, you know, as you can tell even from far. Hopefully these things last and we're gonna test them out. By the way, check out the Max Lit t-shirts. Max Lit logo on the front, 13 on the arms. We established in 2013 and it's lit, Max Lit.